Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you three basic different ways to create videos within the Canva platform. Assuming I'm on my Canva platform right now, I've logged into one of my accounts and I'm here at the home tab. These are some of my creations. So all you need to start creating videos, for example, is to come to the video option icon over here. So you just click, and let's say I'm going to select from the available different types. Let's go with landscape 1920 by 1080. So the first method to create a video is using the magic media. Okay, so to access magic media, all you need is to come over to apps over here. You can just click and you can search directly magic media, right, and hit on enter, and you'll be able to see it at the first option over here, magic media. So you click on it. What comes up here is image creation. You can create images, you can create graphics, you can create videos, and you can even create 3D objects from here. But my target is a video, so you have the option to just describe what you want, or you can ask the AI tool to inspire you and give you a sample prompt to generate a video about. Let's say I have this prompt. Okay, generate the video of a lion swimming in a pool in a very busy town. This is my question, and I can just go ahead and say generate the video. So I'm just going to give you some seconds, 1 to 2 minutes, to be able to generate the video, and let's come back and preview what it has created for us and take a look at what it has created for me. A lion that is swimming in a swimming pool on a very busy town. So we can regenerate again. If you have something in mind, or you don't want this, you can actually regenerate this, or you can alter the prompt also to add 1 or 2 things to regenerate again. Assuming I like this, and I can just go ahead and click, or you can drag and drop it into this timeline, and it is going to be added just like that. This is what you like, so we can just go ahead and play it, and you can see wonderfully this is what we want has been created. In a very busy town, the lion is swimming inside the swimming pool. You can go ahead and create again with another example, but this is the first method to create videos using Canva platform. Now let's go back to the home tab. And the second method is we're going to use the Magic Studio, which we are going to kickstart. Let's go to video this time around, and then let's define the size of the video like we have done before. Let's import an image that we want to convert into a video. All right, so let's say in here I have the image of this cat and I plan to convert it into a video. So I'm just going to drag and drop it in here, and I'm going to just zoom out so that I can be able to have it fill up the screen. And I want to convert this to a video. Now the next thing I need to do is to select the image, and I can go to edit, and you could be able to see magic media in here, all of these features. Okay, so I'm going to go to image to video. So you have the option to generate a 5-second video. By default, when you click on generate, it is going to make a video out of the image that it has. Based on what it can see, it should be able to make sense out of it. But if you want, you can use the custom feature as well. You can now give the prompt of how you want it to be able to behave. So but let's start with the smart option. Let's go ahead and generate a 5-second video out of the image based on what we have. And as you can see, it has generated a fantastic video from this, and the cat is actually ready to pursue the mouse, and you can see it, and I like the generation. If you don't like, you can regenerate, or you can add this to the timeline. So let me just click and add the video to the design. You can see we've just added it to the design. Okay, so wonderfully, if you try to play this, let's see what it is going to give us. You can see it has truly converted it into a wonderful video. Now instead of the cat following the rat, let's try to give it another touch to the whole thing. All right, so let's select the image, go back to edit, and then go to image to video. This time around we can say custom. I say let's the rat follow the cat, so the other way. So we just generate, and let's see whether it is going to give us something wonderful. Yeah, and as you can see, it has generated, even though the mouse or the rat is not following the cat, but I think it makes some sense regards to what it has generated. So let's say it can regenerate again if you don't want what you have seen. It's very easy to do that. You can generate multiple videos out of that particular picture. You can keep generating. All right, so you can see it. Yeah, still the cat is after the mouse, which is most common and contemporary method. So you can add to the design as well, and then you can as well export it if you are interested in exporting any given point using the export feature that we have shared. You can come to download and you can download it in MP4. Now the last method, let's go back to the home of creating videos for this tutorial, is the using Canva AI method. So Canva has an AI feature. You can see it in here. You can click to just have access to it. Canva AI, you can see right now it has the Canva AI 2.0 is out, but it's been rolling out over time. Maybe we get to start using it very soon. So let's say while we're here, you can come to video clip. You can give different kind of control from this, like the AI quality you can define. I want to go with the default. The style, you can select a particular style that you're interested. The aspect ratio, you can go 16:9, which is the default. No audio, you can add audio if you're interested. Let's say no audio. Framing, you can go with anyone, but let's say we go with the default. The lighting also, let's go with the default, and many other things if you are interested. All right, so right now we can go ahead and give the description of the kind of video that we want to create. Okay, so create the video of a cat drinking coffee in a very busy bar at night. Okay, so let the cat be wearing a headset and a red keycap. Okay, so this is just small details. If you want to, you can add more other details from here as well, so that it can serve as a guide to what you're trying to create. So let's go ahead and hit on enter to this, and let's see what this is actually going to create for us. If you look at the cat wearing a red keycap,
Really complete this simple tutorial about the use of a free effort using Canva to create video that you can go ahead and try to enhance the content creation or any product development. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.